What smells so? I smell something that burn. Oh, must be something outside in the fire. Mm-hmm. Let me try a thing, guys. I'm trying a thing. I guess it should be up. It should be up. No.
Jesus is Lord.
Then everybody knows that Jesus is Lord, sir. We don't fix it, man. I think everything up here now. I think it up. I check. Make us check it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's up, guys. Wait. I'm not even talk about it up and I'm not something there yet.
See, Simon, not never. See, it our.
Okay. So we are here and I am up, guys.
Simon, everything alright.
Yay! Yeah. Successful repair. Is a 15 amp fuse it used though. Alright.
Come out, bestie.
Eh? Oh, tell them come on from that table.
See, guys. She said, test it now. Let's see if it's working.
Yeah, man, go test it. Alright, now man, it come on. I already from it deep. Me know say it up. So, because it is dead, completely dead. Dead like knit. So from it beat,
Jesus is Lord.
I know it is up. Alright, hold on. Let me see the dish something. Will you wash it?
We have something in the fridge you can put in there.
No, this me talk about. From yesterday, me put on this one wash it, man. Nobody no wash it. Yo.
No,
Alright, now come. Yeah, man, now check it out. Now check it out, guys. Now check it out. It also did not give a problem when it lock, it a but that seems to be off also. Alright, so now
I like from
now this is the dish for the microwave, so whoa! Look come there and flash your water. Jesus.
unbelievable. Voilà. Regardez.
How cut me? Me get cut and I not even know how me get cut. Yo. I got cut, guys. I got cut. I don't know how I got cut, man. Okay, but this is something there. Alright. This microwave uses 15 amp fuse also. Let me see.
At least one of the videos needed to start that.
Come fix this.
Does not go 1 minute needed to start like that.
Huh?
It does say, the guy it does say, 1 minute of the video need to start to do highlight. And you know, shift with.
Better.
Yeah, for highlight.
No, oh, you mean, oh, no, man, you can stop there. They can just make Van Damme come.
No,
come.
I know if you do it, but you got talk about 1 minute, at least 1 minute of video need to start.